Parkland. I wanted to welcome you to Flag. We have a few surprises for you. Please enjoy your day and know that we're missing you and we send our love. Now here's David with the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, this one goes out to all those Bulldogs out there celebrating a birthday. So I gotta whip up a little ditty for you. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear students. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear students. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Go Bulldogs!